doing Infinity Falls. That's 3 raft rides this season, more than what I usually do. Besides, it's a stupid hot day. We need some water. Alright, and we're off.
No.
Oh, well, it looks like everyone's getting wet. Wow, we start right off at the gate. Wow.
Wait! Miguel, lang ilo namin ngayon na, marikan. I know, na may kinamukha.
No, 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 please!
Yeah!
No! No, no! Yes, 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 yes!
Wow! Ano sa akin kasi naigo?
I might get a little soak. That'd be a nice little sprinkle. That is not a sprinkle. Oh my god. That's actually really smart. The leaking water does like a little leaking effect. That's cool. Wait, there's more? Oh no. No, and I'm the one going backwards! That was very anticlimactic. Look at there it is. Well, you gotta pass like an RNG check. That is the best raft ride I've ever been on. It's everything every other raft ride I've been on should have been.
Oh my god!